Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wayesa. In my last video, I did about Binyam Kebede of the Ethiopian First. I told you that Binyam Kebede went to Hambo and reported from Hambo that no one was killed in Hambo. Yes, Binyam Kebede reported that no one was killed in Hambo. As many of us know, heard, also reported by BBC and human rights activists, more than 27 individuals were killed by the security forces in Hambo. So far, Binam Kebede has not apologized to Hambo people. Binam Kebede has not apologized to Oromo people at large. Binam Kebede, when he said no one was killed in Hambo, Binam Kebede was not being honest with you. In my opinion, Binam Kebede, of course, worked for the Ethiopian regime. He was hired to go to Hambo to do a report that no one was killed. That's his job. He was hired again to do that job. And Binam Kebede so far has again not apologized to Oromo people. Binam Kebede has not apologized to Hambo people at all. And Binam Kebede, if he's watching, I'm sure he's watching this. And this person, Binam Kebede, in my opinion, works for the best interest of the establishment, the TPLF, the Tigray speaking government based in Shagar, Oromia. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Oyesa. Thanks so much for watching BilisummaaShow. You take care. Bye-bye.